Hi guys, it's Styles by Tunk and I am back with a quick mini tutorial on how to do your own sewing. Guys, I will not be talking you through this video because it pretty much shows you everything. Now guys, I'm going to show you how I use the Pink Mafia blend stick. This is how I get my leave out so sleek and pretty. So I just take a small amount of the blend stick. It is a wax stick and I just rub it, on the top of my hair. And I do this before I add heat. You only need a little bit, guys, because you don't want your hair to be too greasy because like I said, it's a wax stick. Okay, I think I need just a little bit more. I don't think I put enough on there. You guys see how sleek and shiny that looks? All from my blend stick. So now I'm just going to take my flat irons and do a quick pass through the hair because I want my hair to be bone straight. And there it is. You guys just witnessed me do my own sewing with the leave out. This hair is from the Pink Mafia hair collection. Details will be in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Thank you.